let's start the build. So let's start building this. So first we will install the APU in the motherboard. So gently lift this pin up. Whatever you're doing, handle that very gently. This is the APU. Do not touch all the unnecessary things. So this is very sensitive. So you will find this golden mark. So this golden mark should exactly coincide with a golden mark you can find in the motherboard. So both of them should be together, and place that carefully. Yeah, seems it's in there, and I'm locking it. Yeah, the processor is locked in the AM4 socket. And time to install the RAM. I'm unboxing the RAM. So in the RAM we got some manual. I'm putting it back in the box. So this is the RAM. This is, as I've told you, Vengeance LPX. This is of Corsair's product. So this RAM, this is 8GB DDR4 RAM. So you can find all the specifications here. So this comes with inbuilt heatsink. So RAM is actually enclosed inside this. This is actually a case. Inside this case there is RAM. So this case provides heatsink. Whatever the heat emitted by the RAM, these are absorbed by the panel on that. So let us install the RAM in the DDR4 slot. So you can find this the right way to install. So when you get near to this, you can find a notch. The notch is here, and on the motherboard it's here. So change the direction, and yeah, it exactly suits now. Place that gently and press that. Yeah, it's perfect now. I'm placing the board on the cardboard so that the back solderings will be undamaged. Installing the CPU fan on this. First, I need to remove this. Tighten the screws slowly. Do not tighten them too tightly. That may damage the motherboard. Tighten them in a cross mannered way. That means tighten this screw, and then this screw, and then this. First just half tighten them. Don't fully tighten them. Yeah, I have half tightened all the four ends. Now I will completely tighten them. Not too tight, just to hold this fan on the board. It's not like you're screwing something in the wall or something in the wood. No. So I've mounted the fan, CPU fan also, on the APU. and I've set the RAM, so we can mount this in the cabinet, CPU cabinet, and I'll show you that. So this is my CPU cabinet. I already have some of the component already installed in this. This is the hard disk drive. So I'm going to replace this with SSD, but not as of now. I don't have that. And this is SMPS. That's not a branded SMPS, but I have to replace that. I don't have those right now, but I will replace that. I will not be using that for so long. So this is the one which I got with Asus motherboard. So I'm putting this. You just need to place this here. It's installed here, and let us bring this. Yeah, it's mounted correctly now, and take the screws which I've got in this motherboard. Once the motherboard is in place correctly, so this thing, it will, these holes on the motherboard will automatically coincide with the socket, the screw socket which is provided on the cabinet. So they will automatically coincide if the motherboard is well fit inside this. And let me screw that. Again, not to make them too tight, but just to hold in the cabinet. Making it too tight may make any damage in the motherboard.